guys, so I'm gonna try a mukbang video. I don't know, I'm just bored. I'm eating in my car. I'm just waiting. I'm just killing time, but I have a plate lunch with me. I got steak with potatoes or sweet potatoes. I don't like it when they put it like that. So I have just plain rice with sweet potato and then steak. So good. Look guys. Woo! Oh my gosh. Probably not gonna eat it all. But it's my first time doing a mukbang video. Sorry, it looks so harsh. I didn't put makeup on. So good. Tastes better with shoyu. Shoyu and calamansi. Oh my god. So I used to work in town. Excuse me. So I used to work in town, and then every Thursday I try to get steak because it's only every Thursday here at Times. So they sell like plate lunches every day, and it's like different every single day. It was so good. So good. It was so good. Oh my god. My windows are like up, and it's like getting hot inside my car. Ugh. So, do you guys like mukbang? I was watching like mukbang videos last night, and I just like, I should do one. Oh my god. I like to eat. You can tell. But oh my gosh. Their sweet potato is so good too, guys. Oh my god. Is this considered a fruit or a vegetable? I guess it's a vegetable because there's no seeds. Because you would only call it a fruit if there are seeds, right? But I love potatoes. My favorite is either boiled or fried. So what you do is like you cut it into like fries size and then wrap it in lumpia and then fry it, so it would be like a potato lumpia, sweet potato lumpia, and then you would cover it with like brown sugar. So good. Let me know if you guys want a recipe. I can share it with you guys. If you love potatoes. They have fries, like the potato wedges fries, that kind, but I don't like those. I'm like super picky with my food. I have a trivia for you guys. People who meet me, you can't say my name right. So I go by Jess. How you would pronounce my name is Jeasamine. I don't know why my auntie named me Jeasamine, but she named me, and then my actual first name is jeasaminenancy. And then Nancy came from my grandpa, so they just put it together because they didn't know which names to give me. And my grandpa originally just wanted to name me Nancy, but everyone else in the family has two names, and I guess it's just a Filipino traditional thing. So my sister has two names, my brother kind of have two names, like two syllables, but I don't know. And then my younger brother has two names. I mean, if you like literally like just see it in like writing, then my older brother doesn't have a second name, but I mean, we pretty much just kind of like put it together so it doesn't get separated. I don't know, I'm just mumbling. Today is kind of like gloomy, guys. but it's not raining. But it's been raining. Like, it was sunny the past few days, like the whole day, and then at night it just like rains out of nowhere. That's just Hawaii. By the way, I have Mountain Dew. I don't drink soda that much. I think I like acidic. Is that what you call it? Because every time I drink soda, it makes me really like gassy. This TMI. Like, it really makes me gassy, and I have to go to the bathroom right away. Which, oop, I should have just got water. But whatever, I'm going home after this. I was just doing Uber for like 2 hours. Oh my god, my hair. I haven't done Uber for like a long time, guys. Like, probably 2 months. Last time was, well, I started in July, and then I did it for a full month in August, or until the 3rd week of August, which I made over $1,000, which is nice, extra money. But then I got busy with work, and then I got transferred to a different location, so I'm no longer in town. So I'm just like, just going to, like, I would just go to work straight. But if I was working here in town, I would have time. Like, I would really leave early, and then I would have time to like do Uber and then go to work after, because it was just like nearby. Excuse me. I don't know where that came from. You're gonna cut this real good. I'm sorry if I'm talking with my mouth open. I'm sorry if I'm talking with my mouth full, guys. I guess that's what mukbang is. Comment down below if I should do more. I don't know. I just like eating. I should do that. But this is not considered as mukbang, I guess, because it's just one plate. And most likely, like, mukbang would be like different food. I don't know. Maybe I got it wrong. But I consider it a mukbang because I'm eating. People say mukbang is like a eating show. So, I guess this is considered one. Oh my god, this steak is so good, and it's tender, and it's like juicy. By the way, guys, I'm going to San Francisco next month. My first time going to the mainland, and my first time going to San Francisco, so I'm excited. I'm going with my boyfriend and his mom, and we're gonna be there for like 9 days, I think. We're not too sure on the dates yet, so hopefully I can do like a TJ Maxx video and visit a Marshall, because we don't have a Marshall here in Hawaii. And yeah, so I'm excited for that. Hopefully we get to go LA and Vegas and do road trips. That would be fun. You can't really do a road trip here because there's no connecting ways to the islands. I mean, I wish there would be, but you have to really take a plane to go there, or a boat, but boat would be in days. I've been to the other island. I've only been to Maui and Kauai. I would love to go Big Island though. Not scary because the volcano, lava and everything. But I've talked to local people from there. They said it's not that scary. people just make it too like exag. But I mean, you can't really count on people's word, right? You have to go there yourself. I don't know, I might be able to finish this. I'm getting full. Question: what would be your favorite food? Or if you could have a food or meal, what would it be? I mean, eat that your whole entire life. Wow. That would be chicken for me. Like, fried chicken. Oh my gosh. What is your favorite part? I've used to love, like, thighs. But now I've been getting, like, wings lately. Oh my gosh, I have a video. In mind. I should do, like, a fried chicken mukbang. With, like, church chicken. Sorry, guys, I got cut off. My mom called me. But I'm trying to do a fried chicken mukbang with, like, excuse me, with, like, church chicken, Popeyes, KFC, and Jollibee. I should do that. And see which one I like the most. I had KFC, but I don't eat it as much. I mean, there's one, like, right near our house, but I gravitate more towards Jollibee and Popeyes. I don't know if I will include church chicken, though, because it's kind of far. It's, like, near my working place right now, which is on the other side of the island. I don't know. Let me know if I should do one. So good. Oh my god, I'm almost done with my rice, guys. People, sorry, there's this lady just staring at me. So, people has been commenting on my vlog about the egg diet, and I've asked, like, what's a good diet, and then everyone's just saying different things. I don't know, like, how can you go on diet when it's just so hard, you know? Ugh. Oh my gosh, my tissue just fell. It's so hard to eat this because it's, like, super long. Look, guys, super long. They don't even cut it real good, but it's tender. It's easy. Oh my god, I need to turn on my car. It's, like, really hot. You can see me sweating. If you guys are from San Francisco, can you guys recommend us, like, where to go? I know Santa Monica Pier is there, I think. I don't know. I have to do my research. I definitely want to go Vegas. And Trader Joe's, because we don't have Trader Joe's here. Oh my god, I'm going to turn on my car. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry for the AC. But it's really hot. I'm, like, about to pass out. I don't even want to roll down my windows because it's even hotter outside. Like, you can feel the freaking sun onto your skin. So good. I'm gonna just finish the whole thing. I don't know what else to talk about, guys. By the way, we're almost at 1K, guys. I'm very excited to launch the 1K giveaway video. I will include the past giveaway prices because there are some of you that didn't claim their price and I didn't get any email whatsoever, so I'll go ahead and include that in the giveaway. There's like 3 meats and like little rice, like so little, so I'll include that in the 1K giveaway. Most of you like wanted me to include like tools, which I am. There's gonna be the Real Techniques collection. I don't know, should I split it, guys, to like different winners, like up to 10 winners or something, or should I just do it as a big giveaway? I mean, I don't know what you guys want to do. Let me know. I don't know yet, but I do have the prices ready. So once we hit 1,000K, then I'll launch that video, or maybe like at 980. I don't know. We'll see if I change my mind. Excuse me. I cannot get this piece separated. Oh my gosh, I just realized that every Thursday Starbucks giveaway, or there's like coupons or like half offs or like buy one get ones every Tuesday, and today is Thursday. I think it's half off on fraps or like cold drinks. Oh, I should go. What are your favorite drinks, guys? Like Starbucks drink. My favorite is my coffee drink, which is 2 shots on ice with 3 pumps by mocha. If you haven't tried that, I suggest you do. If you like sweet coffee, and then add breve or half and half. So good. It's like my go-to coffee drink. My friends take it too, but with more shots. So good. And I just devoured this food. Okay. I've been talking with the radio on. Oh my gosh. There goes copyright. I'm not really full, guys. I know I can eat this potato. Let's see what time. People ask me to do like makeup tutorials or like makeup video, but to be honest, I don't wear makeup every day. I only wear makeup if I have time or if I feel like it. As you can see in my videos, I don't have too many makeup. Like I buy a lot of things, but I pretty much give away or like sell them, but I don't use. Oh, by the way, my shop is open. I'll link it right here if you guys want to support me. I do have mystery boxes if you guys want to buy, because I've mentioned and you guys wanted to. So there it is. It's your chance. I know a lot of you guys don't have like good items at TJ Maxx and don't have TJ Maxx at all. So here's your chance. The ones that you'll be getting in the beauty boxes are pretty much things from TJ Maxx, Nordstrom Rack, Ross, or just my whole my collection. So support your girl. I'm not gonna eat the rest of the potatoes. It's good, but I'm like super full, guys. And I'm like super done. I don't know what else to do, guys. I'm so full. So I would love to do another mukbang, guys, but let me know what I should eat next. I've wanted to do like story time too with my mukbang, so you guys can get to know me, because all pretty much I do is just like vlogs and TJ Maxx videos, but I never really like sat down, filmed myself, and like talked to you guys personally, like on a personal level. Oh, I did have the iPhone 10X Max. I just got a new case. I just got this from my friend. They have $2, and I returned my 256. I needed the 512, so I got the 512, and then I pretty much just use this to play my games, and then post on my online shop, and that's pretty much it. But I use this phone, the iPhone X, to film videos for you guys, and then like just my actual calls and text messages go on to this one. Well, they both go on this, and whichever I have, I'll just reply, but pretty much my actual number is on this phone. And yeah, I don't know what else to talk about, guys, so I'll probably just end the video here. I mean, it was fun doing this first mukbang with you guys, and hopefully to do more in the future. So that's pretty much it. I'll end the video here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, lovelies. Mwah.